Are you wanting to learn sports massage? Have you already taken sports massage, but you just want to take yourself to the next level? Do you want to know more about how to get involved in the sports massage community? Well, take a moment, watch this video, and let us show you what we can offer for you. My name is Delaney Farmer. I'm an athlete trainer and massage therapist. My colleague who I work with is Scott Leisure, massage therapist. I've been a massage therapist for 21 years, an athlete trainer for 12 years. Scott has been a massage therapist for 22 years. Together, we provide over 40 years of experiences that we can bring to you. Scott is an athlete. He's going to be able to explain experiences of him as a marathon runner or running his centennial runs, 100-mile runs. He'll be able to provide you with experiences from how massage has helped him or how he has done massage on other athletes in the similar boat. I will take my experiences working as an athlete trainer, massage therapist, working with several of the professional teams here in Seattle, or working with the USA diving team, USA ultimate frisbee team, or USA track and field team. I'll be able to take experiences from that level and bring those experiences to you. Together, we provide a unique combination of experiences and knowledge that we bring to you. So let's maybe talk a little about what this class offers for you. This class will provide you with a great dose of event sports massage applications. We spent a lot of the 2 days with hands-on applications so you can walk away feeling like you have something to work with and feel comfortable with. We work with you on body mechanics so you can continue to do this type of work long into your career. We talk about environmental issues because your athletes are out there in the elements. Learning thermal dysfunction management is important on how you could help your clients if you see specific signs. Getting involved with teams, working with other healthcare providers are a topic that we'll go over with you and show you how you can fit into the healthcare sports massage puzzle that you'll be part of. We even talk about what is sports massage. We get you to thinking what it actually is. This will help you develop who you are as a sports massage therapist. And of course, there's more, but you'll need to take this course to experience what we have to offer for you. Together, Scott and I bring a unique combination of experiences and knowledge to you. So we look forward to having you take in our class. But don't just take my word for it. Check out the following testimonials showing you what other people have said about our classes, because they're the ones who have taken our class. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We're happy to answer any question you have. Sign up for our class and prepare to have fun.